Friday. Time to get into the spirit of the weekend, right? So let's look into this. Okay, so here we are. We've written these tests. At least maybe sort of like verify that this stuff works. Not completely that in that case, but there to an extent. So let's try to put this to use in this object uploads here. So as expected, we want to sort of import uh, AW3 SDK because obviously that's what we want to use. So here we are using this. So meaning I should actually go for calling this S3 clients or S3 clients. So if I hover on this, let me see what it should give me. Oh, cool. So I think I'll call it something else. Let me just call it S3. Okay, so it's the middle of the night. I just hope my brain is functional right now. So sorry, give me a moment. Okay. I may not necessarily need this, so let me go for the S3. Let me go for the S3 blob stuff I created. Oh, I sort of need to initialize Amazon SDK first. Let me see how I use this. Oh, we can actually do both on the same. We can do both on the same, like we can do both using just one statement. So give me a moment, I need to go into Amazon. So yeah, I don't kind of want you to see my credentials. So yeah, that's why I'm not showing what I'm doing currently. Okay. Okay. just keep talking just in case I fall asleep. So you might have even been able to see the time around here. So describe the 320 signing using the root user. Wait, I think I tried setting up Amazon like locally some days back. I don't think I was successful with it. Oh, I was successful setting it up. What I was not successful with was, wait, seriously, what's wrong with this thing? So what I was not successful with was, oh, what's MFA code again? Multi-factor authentication. Okay. So I need to check my phone. Seriously? Say after me. 157229. That's the MFA code. Just in case you want to use it. Okay. I'm done entering that. Oops. So seems I'm in. I think I created EC2 instance last time. I attempted trying to set up IAM. That's, oops, what's the name again? Identity something. I can't remember. Something about identity though. Then ES2, like something about identity management. I think I set up ES2. Okay, yeah. So what I want to accomplish here, because seems so the first thing I want to accomplish is to actually have a bucket. So S3. Sort of fun to create buckets on the fly, but then I'm not building an application where I need to create buckets on the fly. So sort of safe and sort of boring at the same time. But here we are. Okay. Wait. Please tell me I have access. Okay, nice. With S3, there's no minimum fees. You only pay for what you use. Prices are based on location. Yeah, don't worry. I'm sort of new to AWS. Not totally new exactly, since I've sort of well, let's say I'm new. In fact, I created a personal account recently so that I can, and I registered for on AWS Educate, so that I can sort of try to go in depth into like AWS. Normally I use GCP normally, and yeah, I think what helped me with GCP was time I joined the data engineering programs. Like I should be like 2 years back. Couldn't complete it though, but I learned a lot from it about their services. I think that helped. So that made it kind of easy, like you work in a park when using GCP compared to AWS. So yeah, let's see. I think I can create a bucket. So general purpose. Do I want the bucket to be a general purpose one, or do I want it to be a directory? Directory is nice if I'm sort of like dealing with something that is more like a file system in a way. So, but general purpose, if I just want to store anything, in that case, I think I might go with general purpose. because directory is for specific use cases, and honestly, if you don't need it, just you can just avoid it. So what's the bucket name? In this case, I'm just going to say mf, that's mainframe. So I'm going to say mf ouch. I'm going to be creating two. One of them is the one that stores the video, right? So what should I call that? If I just say mf videos, that's terrible name. Let me see if I can search for synonyms of video. Never search for that in my life. So let me see what that gives me. Recording, clip, reel, flick tape, video clip. We done. Let's see. Vid. Right. That sounds weird. Then we have Laserdisc. Bad. So I'm just going to say call this instead mf raw. So that's like still weird. What should be the bucket's name? Did I store any information about that? Let's see defaults. Oh, I've not even set that up at all. So sort of like we are safe. Okay, not exactly. So mf raw data. Server data. But then what's even bad with mf videos? So I can say should I say uploaded videos? It's sort of weird too, but let's see. Maybe I should just say mf uploaded videos. Let's see. What type of object ownership do I want to use? Do I want to enable ACL, which is access control list, or do I want to disable it? Recommended is disabled, so I'm going to choose that, and block public access settings for this bucket. Public access is granted to buckets and objects through access control systems, bucket policies, access this, that. Oops, I'm reading this, but my head is not processing it right now. Recommend that you put turn on block or public access, but before applying any of these settings, ensure your application will work correctly without public access. Okay. Bucket versioning, I just think I'll go with enable. Tags, I don't have anyone in mind. Server-side encryption is automatically applied to new bucket study. You can decide to use that. You can decide to use AWS Key Management Service. You can decide to use this third one, dual layer server-side encryption with AWS DSSC KMS. DSSE KMS. Okay, so I think I chose enable, then advanced settings, which I don't think I need to touch. Hope you are still with me. Yeah, I think that's a yes. I mean, the silence. Oh, I'm not even showing what I'm doing, so ish. I see. creating buckets while feeling very sleepy. So I've created the first bucket, which is for the uploaded videos. Now I'm going to create one more, which is supposed to be uh, for the innards. So I'm just going to call it mainframe or MF. Sorry, innards. So where do we even store the memes? Some okay. So I just created two buckets, and one is called MF init, one is called wait, is this init capitalized? That would be really bad. So okay, I think I'm gonna stop this video right now because no, I actually do need to sleep. I'm at the point where I'm going to be doing really heavy thinking, so I need to sleep first to get this head back into normal condition. And then later today, I'll quickly record like one video or two video just for us to see how we can get started with this blob stuff. I want to get past this stuff and just get to the main thing, like where the main deal is. But we'll see and enjoy. But do note now, currently we have two buckets that we just created. One is MF innards for those innards, and the other one is